On this homework, we're doing some problem solving with arithmetic sequences, which is no more difficult than what we've been doing the last couple days. You just have to set up the sequence and just see how it's changing using the word problem. So problem number 4 says Eva is reading a novel that is 463 pages long. After the first day, she had 423 pages left. After 2 days, she had 383 pages left. After 3 days, she had 343 pages left. Write an equation and use it to determine the number of pages that Eva will have left after 8 days. And you can sort of see the sequence. After the first day, 423. So n equals 1, we have 423. N equals 2, we have 383. I'm just going to write the sequence below, but then we'll also make a table. We'll continue like this until there were no pages left. If we make a table with the position in the sequence n and the term t, we can start to see how the sequence is changing. After 1 day, she had 423 pages left. After 2 days, 383 pages. After 3 days, 343 pages. So we want the, in order to find the equation, we want to know how many pages would she have left after n days. This is definitely decreasing, but by how much? If you find the difference, you'll see that it's decreasing by 40 each time. 383 minus 40, oops. 383 minus 40 is 343. But we didn't even really need to do that calculation if you think about it, because it says, no, it doesn't say that she reads 40 pages each day. I thought it did. That's not included in there, but it seems that she's reading 40 pages every day, so the number of pages is decreasing by 40 each day. That common difference is the coefficient of the variable term, so negative 40n. But then we have to adjust it, because we know that, if n equals 1, negative 40n would be negative 40 multiplied by 1, which is negative 40. But this first value, this first term, is not negative 40, it's 423. So we have to add a lot to get from negative 40 to 423. If you're at negative 40 on a number line, just to get to 0, you would have to add 40. To get to 423, we need to add 423 more than that. So we're adding 40 and 423, so we're adding 463. That makes sense, because that's how many pages that's how many pages are in the book, 463 pages. It's like 463 minus 40 times the number of days she's been reading, because she's reading 40 pages every day. Now the part I want you to do during the pause is take our equation, the number of pages equals negative 40n plus 463, and substitute 8 days into that equation to see how many pages will be left after 8 days.
Paused.
If I substitute 8 into this equation, we have negative 40 multiplied by 8 plus 463. Negative 40 times 8 is negative 320 plus 463. That's the same as 463 minus 320, so 143 pages would be left after 8 days. And this would be our equation right here. Okay, I hope that helped with the homework. I'll see you tomorrow.